Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time. I believe the videos are now in the 60s, which is insanity from me to you. This is the show where I cook up stuff the way I like to cook it up. I've reviewed over 3,000 different types of instant noodles. And today I am doing one. It's actually a US product. And it's from Myojo. It's their Japanese yakisoba. I meant to get just Japanese yakisoba flavor yakisoba. This is the curry one, and my wife wasn't really into it, but I love curry, but she doesn't, so I don't like to make her dinner that she's like really not into. So I was left with this extra big thing of yakisoba, and I'm like, oh man, I guess I'll have to review it, because I haven't had Myojo curry yakisoba. I've had other brands of curry yakisoba, also known as Nama soba. I had Maruchan. Theirs was good. Their cooking instructions are different than these, so this should be interesting. So this sucker is way too hot. Face melting hot. So they say to drop this in some oil for 30 seconds, then add a quarter cup of water and stir it up until all the water is absorbed. I don't know. Sounds interesting. This definitely, I mean, that should fry these noodles up pretty well. So let's see how we do. Pray for me, folks. Okay, good. And actually, please don't pray for me. I'm godless, so. Yeah. I won't go into that. But now we are attempting to loosen the noodles. Just watch, I lost 1,000 subscribers. It's true. It's true. I should say I'm a free thinker. Yeah. Anyways, okay, this is coming along okay. It is loosening up. My question, though, is when I put the quarter cup of water in with this, is the oil that's still here going to, like, just explode everywhere and I'm going to get a face full of it? I guess there's only one way to find out. Okay. And here we go with our water. Well, no facial explosion today, folks. My face seems still to be intact, although it's making a lot of noise. I got a little bit of splatter on my arm, but really nothing. No worse for the wear. Yes. Happy, happy. Joy, joy. I think now is the time when you add in the seasoning. I know it's the right seasoning because it says curry on it. That's how you know. Reading is fundamental to understanding. Speaking of reading, I just started a new book, and that is pretty freaking monumental. I think the amount of books I've actually read in their entirety in my life probably could be counted by my son, who is 3 years old. Yay! Yeah, I really am not a big reader. I mean, a big part of it has to do with my vision, of course, but you know, just not really into it. But sometimes you have to read, and when you have to read, I prefer to read good stuff. Really quick, I'm gonna taste this because this is an actual review. This stuff is definitely all stirred together. Liquid is absorbed. Here's how the noodle looks. Let's give it a try. It's sweet. Man, that's good. Wow. You don't have to wait for the review to come out, folks. That's 5-star. Absolutely. Run to the store. Run. Get that. And enjoy that. I just threw in some mung bean sprouts and some spring onion. Now I'm throwing in... You know, I should have put this in a different thing. Some tofu puff and chopped up chashu. I don't know, tofu puff probably doesn't really fit in as far as Japanese, but it just sounded good. And if it sounds good, it's all good. If it's good. Alright. And the tofu puff is doing what I was afraid it might do. It's just not, it's not making friends. Miles, it's not making friends. Where are the friends? Miles, why isn't the tofu puff making friends? It just kind of wants to hang out and be all aloof. So I thought today I would do something a little different. I've seen pictures. I've seen the pictures, folks, but I've never seen, I've never rather personally made yakisoba with a fried egg in the yakisoba. And I don't know if maybe I'm looking at those pictures wrong, but boy, that sounds good to me. Right now I'm kind of like trying to grab the extra little bits of curry flavoring. I think the noodles suck them all up. That's good. But my plan here is to spread this out a little bit and just drop an egg in right there. So let's see what happens. Are you ready? I'm not yet. I still got stuff to put in here. This is called Kizami Shoga, and it is, ouch, injury, medic. Ooh, I don't want that much. Holy God. That's good. Pickled ginger. I used to put this in like, oh, I put too much in it. We'll see. Nom nom nom. I'm gonna bet Miles will scarf this down like nothing else. He's been really into having noodles this last week, and yeah, let's just like coddle you around like this. Okay. Now, put the egg right there. Come on, really? All right. So this is the tricky part because I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to take for that thing to start working magic. I think I might want to just put a lid over it for now. Does that sound like a good idea, Miles? Miles cooks most of the meals in the house, you see, so. I don't want to have it touch the egg. Here we go. Thank you, Tofu Puff. You're in the right place at the right time. Kinda. We'll see what happens. Because I just want that egg, I want that yolk to get somewhat dealt with. I want everything to turn nice and done-ish. Let's make sure that it's not. I don't think it is. Cool. Alright, so And now we wait to see if the egg will do what it's supposed to. I've got a nice big plate that it'll be going on, so yeah, I think we'll see. Like, it's what I really like about doing this show is now I'm getting to do a little bit of experimentation, and I just didn't before because it just seemed like, well, I know it works, but now it's like, hey, maybe people want to see what happens when I try doing this funky stuff, so. We shall see. Well, for one thing, this egg isn't moving anywhere quickly. Come on, egg, do your stuff. The burner isn't too crazy right now. Hey, Miles. How you doing? You want to say hi? Look! Say hi. Miles, look. Say hi to the nice people in the internet. They're trapped. 1, 3. Can you be real loud? Ah! Ah! Stop bumping the screen door with your butt, sir. No. You think it's so funny, and then they're gonna like come and take all your allowance, all your baby money, take it away. I just don't know what to say. Anyways, well, this looks like it's starting to do things. Let me make sure that we can see. I think we might be able to get you in a little closer, but not a whole heck of a lot. It's not doing what I hoped. I was hoping it would kind of congeal a little bit better, but it's doing something. You know? I think the white part down there is because it's towards the base of the skillet. Maybe the upper part will kind of get in line pretty quick. Miles? I told you once. You need a timeout? Nah, I don't like giving them timeouts. There's nothing less fun than the... Yeah, I'm going to call that good. Nothing less fun than the pandemonium of an angry tot during a timeout. And Miles can be a very angry tot. That's for sure. Right? Yeah, that's my wonder skillet. Working wonders. Okay, so hopefully, will you just slide on in? Did it just really do that? Oh, that's weird. Looked like it stopped recording, but it's still recording, so. Anyways. Have a look at that. Curry yakisoba. Where'd that egg go? There's part of the, yeah. I think maybe the yolk broke on the way in. But, ooh. The tofu puff crisped up a little bit. Can't say no to that. We need the rest of the spring onion. I'm going to do the thing that makes a lot of people lose their mind. But this is like very, very... I mean, if you've had yakisoba like Myojo Ibi-chan, you've seen this. Yep. Maleness. That right there, folks. That's serious business. It's not a joke. Yeah. We love Kewpie mayo and yakisoba. And so does a large portion of Japan. So, yeah. Wow, I'm dying to try this. I mean, I tried it and I loved it. And I'm thinking this is just like, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyways, hey Miles. You want to say goodbye to the nice people? You want to say bye-bye? He's like, bye-bye. Anyways, well, if you enjoyed this video, please check out one of these other videos. I've got another yakisoba video, which is probably up, I think. And yeah, this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.